Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to email a Google Doc as an attachment in Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To email a Google Doc as attachment in Google Doc, go to your Google Doc and open the document. On upper left corner, click on File and then go to Email. Click on Email this file. Now you can select Send yourself a copy and now type the email address where you want to send. Now type the subject and here type the message body. I am just typing test, and here you can send file as PDF, as rich text, open document, HTML, Microsoft Word, or plain text as you wish. I am selecting Microsoft Word here and now click on send. This is the easiest way to send and Google Doc as email attachment. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.